morning, Tuesday, heading to Highlands Heritage Park, one of the staging areas from the tornado. I haven't been there in a couple days, but there's a lot of debris. I'm gonna help out N&D Tree in Douglas County and stuff a horizontal grinder from Bandit. I don't know what it is, 26, I don't know their models that well, but it was delivered yesterday. I'm gonna be feeding, I think Nick will be feeding, and we'll keep that thing running all day and make trees into chips. So no stumps today, grinding stumps today, but with the horizontal grinder, not a stump grinder. So it'll be a little different, but this will be the next week or so too, maybe, just to try and help get the cleanup knocked out, and then let Nick handle it from there. So, skid steer day. See you guys in a bit. So, here's where we're starting. Slash, probably 30 to 60,000 yards here right now. Going through that Bandit. I'm gonna go kind of warm things up, figure it all out, and then I'll try and get some video in a bit. Well, that was a lot of material. We definitely made a dent. A very small dent, but a dent. So we got all that. That's whatever, 40, 50, 60, 70 yards. Then we got all that. That's like 20 or so feet deep, 30 maybe. The pile was out like basically from the light post out to these cones, and then kind of wrapped in. It was the back of the grinder was parked in the pile, so you could put 4 or 5 cars in here now where there was a pile. Yeah, so put a lot of stuff through there. Boy, oh boy, that's a lot of stuff. And it's like, so you see that light post? It goes back to there, which is 60 feet from me. So about 30 feet of pile. And then there's another dual light post back there. That's 80 feet from me. So there's a lot of material left, but I made a big dent. This thing did pretty good. You guys know my thoughts on Bandit, but this one did okay. But yeah, there's another parking lot full over there. There's a parking lot over there that's full. And then there's 2 other parking lots just like this. So there's a lot of material. That's it. I am heading home earlier than normal. Actually, I'm gonna go do some bids, but I'll still be home earlier than I have the last couple days. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you need help with tornado stuff, there's lots of ways to get a hold of me. 720-621-1660. Another week or so, and then it'll be back to full-time stump smash. So uproots are no problem. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. See you tomorrow. I'll be back to this.